So this is my crash bar for my KLR 650. So excuse the messy mess. But this is right about halfway marker, I would say. I bought the Amazon one. I don't know, what was it, like $200-300? The only the price tag difference between this from here over the other side was $100 compared to just here. And I was thinking, you know what, it's not uncommon of me to be a little extra. So so step one is to remove this guy. It comes with the 12mm. This is a 13mm. Then whoever lies to you and says that these things are easy, that was a big giant pain. That was probably like the pain for this, was to put the, let's see if I can, let me get it real quick shortly, show you. So on this, for these guys, these bad boys, because they go on like, whatcha? They have 2 pinch welds, and you have to heave ho just a little bit to break those welds to get them off. But after that, I mean, it's solid. So, and don't forget the washer on the back side. I forgot one on one of them, so I had to tear it apart. And it rolls over to this piece here. I made this a long time ago. It's just some scrap for the bottom side. Apparently that KLR has a tendency to put all that crap and bust it off and blah blah blah. And so anyway, yeah, the next step, all I have to do right here is bolt on from here over across to that side, bolt it together, and put some nuts on right there and right there. And then after that, she will be grade A and ready to go. This is about a week before my your insurance for full coverage becomes effective. So the reason why I bought these right here, because this guy right here is the same price as this guy right here. And I was thinking, if I replace this once, it'll probably have to be replaced twice. Or if I buy this once, I don't have to replace this or this. And if I do, it got full coverage, so we're good to go. Anyway, like always, what is it? Jack of all trades, master of none. See you. Bye-bye.